Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to off keyboard sound on iPhone. Let's start it. Open settings. Tap on sounds and haptics. Find and tap on keyboard feedback. Here, turn off haptics. Turn off sounds. Now check. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.